Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically selling on eBay is so easy. All you will be needing to do is to already have an account and then start listing your items. So let's just go. So basically you will need just to create an account on eBay. And after that, you will be needing to simply go to your seller hub. So from my eBay, you will need just to hover, no need to click. And basically, you will need just to go to selling. By going to selling, you will be able to get to your seller hub. And by going to the seller hub, you will be able to start listing your items or adding your items to your store. So by doing that, you will be able, or to do that, you will need just to go to the listings. And from here, you will find create listing, or you can simply click on the listing. And from here, you will find this create listing button. By clicking on it, you will be able to start listing your item on eBay. So simply, you will need just like uh, either start by uploading photos first, or you can apply or upload whatever would want. So basically, you can simply go to upload photo. You select the photo amount of your listing, and basically it might be like up to 12 pictures. And then you will be needing to add the other informations such as the title, description, variations, etc. So now, after that you have your listing, you will be needing to promote in them. It's not really necessary for at the beginning, but you can do it. So simply you go to your eBay, uh, again to the seller hub, and from there you can simply go to advertising or marketing. And let's just go to advertising, and from there you can start marketing. You can just like create a new campaign and then advertise for your listing. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.